Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. I want to explain something to you. If you have a Chrysler or any kind of vehicle that does this symbol, which will be that symbol right there, it looks like a lightning bolt. That is not your alternator. That is your throttle body messing up. Either it needs to be clean, which most of the time it fixes it, or you need to change the throttle body and have it programmed with a machine. Everything that I use in this video, you could buy at my Mobile Mechanic store, which is the Mobile Mechanic 757, the Mobile Mechanic 757. A lot of stuff is not plug and play. You're gonna have to reprogram it. So you go to my store and you can buy the items that program this throttle body. You program it first. If that doesn't work, clean it. You pull the 4 bolts off and you take some throttle cleaner, which I'm going to make a video, which will be part 2 of this. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and follow.